the impeachment process that is ongoing regarding our deputy president is not unique. It's an application of the Constitution. It's not something that has been plucked from the air. It has a constitutional process to follow. And therefore, to that extent, it is a constitutional process. If it comes back to the courts, it's been in the courts, you know, the number of 20 whatever applications and cases. If it comes to court after Senate, whatever it is that happens, we don't know. We cannot anticipate the outcome of the Senate process. If it comes here, it's a case like the next case. It will be handled by we who sit in the judiciary in the manner the Constitution has authorized us to do, in the manner the law has authorized us to do. We can't go outside the Constitution. We can't go outside of the law.